We get to learn what overwintering behavior looks like on the individual level, which we've never been able to see before. The new cellular tracking technology, Blue Morpho Tag, is a radio transmitting tag. It has a solar panel on it, and we can attach it to a butterfly. The tag can be detected using the Project Monarch app, and it can also be detected with our Modus tower that we installed out here at Ellwood. We're doing this with a very precise methodology to keep the butterfly healthy and safe and unharmed. You need training, you need to have a permit. That rectangle is the solar panel, and then the piece I'm holding is the antenna. To attach the tag, we paint a little bit of eyelash glue right between the wings, and it sits on the thorax, and the antenna goes down the abdomen of the butterfly. Relatively, it is like wearing a 20-pound backpack. With a 20-pound backpack, you can climb a mountain. You're gonna feel it, but you can still do what you want to do with it. And same for the Monarch. Monarchs tagged in Canada have flown all the way down to Mexico with tags on them. So this tiny little piece of technology is going to expand our knowledge of wildlife and wildlife movements exponentially. Once you open the app and you create a login, you hit launch, and then you hit done. And then it brings you to this page where you have the option to start scanning. So if you are out in Ellwood, you can start scanning, and I'm going to use our tag. It is an unknown tag right now because I have not added a name to it. So that's when you are out in Ellwood and looking for monarchs. If you just want to curious where all the monarchs are, you can go to data, then you can come over here to map, and these are all the butterflies that have been tagged in North America. So on the East Coast, you can see all these monarchs that were tagged in Canada, and then some of them have even made it down into Mexico. And if you come over here to California, these are the butterflies that we've tagged at Ellwood so far. I have been researching and involved with monarch butterflies for 25 years. When I first got started, I tagged monarchs using a fine tip Sharpie marker and writing a number on the hind wing of a butterfly. And then it was my job to go out with a spotting scope and find them again. The tagging evolved into using sticker tags, and the tag would have a 1-800 number on it. So then you were reliant on having someone else find the tag and say, I found your monarch? Now it's come around to using technology and Bluetooth, and that is going to really help us understand how monarchs are moving. There's a potential for us to create the largest wildlife tracking network in the world, and Ellwood is contributing to that. So it's very, very exciting to be a part of this.